So to go back to the tip, all right, supporting primary pages, but you're not a blog. We don't build blog pages to build blog pages. But what we will do is we will support primary services, supporting content, depth of concept, such as what is the average pier and beam foundation repair cost in Dallas, Fort Worth? It has to. That's the only goal, right? So what I'm getting at here to hammer this the rest of the way home, this is a random article, but we want to support our main services. So when we have a top level page about foundation repair and all of the secondary services like that pier and beam, that decorative, right? Like we talked about before in this exact example, we'll have those links inside this page. So not only is it information, but it's technically my supporting content is really my secondary services. So not only is it information, but it's technically my supporting content is really my secondary services.